get to pick a color. Oh, his is on it. Let's do it.
Oh, shoot. Yep, it's not steady.
Yeah. You try it. That Marcus tried out.
Okay, let me do
Use the black.
Yeah.
Woo!
Are you ready?
That's cool.
It went crazy.
Broskies. We got the marker. Wow, that was so good. The marker's wow. That is so cool. What? That's crazy. Oh my gosh. Bro, I'm gonna do that pink. Bro, yes, bro, that's swirling. Bro, legit, that swirling is so cool. Legit. Bro, that is awesome. Wow, so beautiful. Swish, swish, green face. Let's put some orange on here. Yes, let's get some green too. Bro, Solomon, you broke it. Yeah. Bro, I'm just going with the flow. The flow is too strong, bro.
Can you put your hand back there?